The carefully selected high-quality materials of the rotating humidifier filter make it durable, efficient in humidification, and provide you with comfortable and humid air for a long time. At the same time, the strong absorption capacity effectively removes bacteria, scale, and other particles in the water, providing you and your family with clean and healthy breathing air. Remove the side panel. Pull out the water tank. Gently lift the filter tray and pull it out horizontally. Place the humidifier filter in the filter tray and place it on the filter holder. Make sure that the protruding parts on the filter tray fit into the corresponding slots. Put the filter tray back into the product and cover the side panel.